Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can swap coins on Uniswap. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly. So make sure that your wallet is connected and funded with Ethereum, and this makes swapping tokens quick and secure. So first open your app.uniswap.org and then you will have to connect your wallet, which you can do right here. So just go ahead and click connect and then you can just choose from this, or you can connect this to your wallet, to your existing one. And after connecting a wallet to it, what you will have to do is click swap, which is under the trade um section. So just click swap, and then once you're here, what you will have to do is select the token that you would want to spend in the first field, which is right here. So let's say I would want tester, and then what I will have to do is the token that you would want to receive in the second field, by the way, select it as well. So for example, you would want to receive Uniswap, and then next you will enter the amount and review the estimated token amount. So let's say 54 USDT. And then what you will have to do is click swap or connect your wallet if you haven't already. So once you've connected your wallet, you will see a swap option here. So just go ahead and click that and then approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for the blockchain confirmation and double check the token address to avoid mistakes. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.